There are plenty of ways to edit the footer on your WordPress site to achieve a better user experience and overall quality of design. In this post, we are going to walk through 4 ways that you can edit the footer in WordPress, 3 codeless ways, and 1 way using code. So let's get started. WordPress websites consist of 4 sections: the header, the body, the footer, and sometimes a sidebar. The WordPress footer is a fixed section at the bottom that displays across your site's pages and contains important information. Typically, footers include a sitemap, links to legal disclaimers, company information, and similar formal sort of elements. The footer content of your website is, logically, stored in the footer.php file of your WordPress theme. The quickest and most beginner-friendly way to edit a footer in WordPress is through the theme customizer. This is an effective option if you're not comfortable working with code or don't want to use a plugin. However, whether this tool is available to you depends on the theme that you're using, although most do. To locate the customizer from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Customize. With the customizer open, navigate to the Footer section. We're using Theme 2021 in this example, so the features we discuss could vary depending on the theme that you've chosen. The customizer also lets you preview the changes in real time. Most themes will let you change the footer's layout, colors, and content. When you're done making changes, select the Publish button. If your theme doesn't give you the option of using the customizer, there are other methods you can use. Some themes let you add and modify footer widgets directly in the customizer. But if you don't have access to this, you can still use WordPress widgets to change your footer. Browse to Appearance, Widgets from your WordPress dashboard. All of the available widgets are listed to the left. To edit the content of a footer widget, simply click on the arrow of the text item to expand the field, and changes can be made using the visual or text editor. When you're done, click the Save button. To remove a widget entirely, just select Delete. If you're trying to figure out how to edit a footer in WordPress without dealing with code or with the customizer, consider using a plugin. WordPress plugins are an effective way to expand the features and functionality of your site, including the footer area. There are a variety of plugins that you can use depending on what you're trying to achieve. One to consider is the Elementor Header, Footer, and Blocks Template Builder plugin. This is a free extension, an add-on to the Elementor Page Builder plugin, and lets you quickly and easily change the footer in WordPress via its drag and drop builder. Once you activate the plugin, you can locate it by going to Appearance, Header, Footer, and Blocks. Select Add New, then from the drop-down menu next to Type of Template, click Footer. There are a handful of settings and configuration options. You can customize where on your site the footer will display and implement specific display and exclusion rules. Next, click on the blue Edit with Elementor button at the top and go to the Template Builder. In the left panel, you will find the Header, Footer, and Blocks section where you can drag and drop footer widgets into the builder. The final method you can use to change the footer in WordPress is editing the footer's code in your theme's footer.php file. This is more technical than other solutions, so only use it if you're comfortable working with code. Check out our video on how to edit WordPress code if you need some help. Also, before proceeding with this method, it is important to note that you should avoid removing any lines of code from the file. The safest option is to either comment the code or create a child theme. Find the footer.php file within your theme files, and within that file, add the code to modify the footer as desired. When you're done, save your changes. If this video solved your problem, please let us know by leaving a comment, liking this video, and subscribing to this channel. And look out for new WordPress tutorial videos every single Tuesday.